The overview. In this section, I address the following points. Who is this course for? Some words of caution. What this course is, and what this course is not. I've been working on this course for over 6 months, compiling material, recording, editing, screaming and crying, having fun, and almost losing my mind. But I had a goal of creating something valuable that others will find useful. Literally, I have almost 50 pages of material that I had to then condense into less than 2 hours of recording. That was quite fun. Seriously though, this material is all based on my own experience. And I didn't want to use such marketing gimmicks as how to launch a watch company with $0 or how to get rich by creating watches. No, anyone who tells you that is lying. Everything great requires sacrifice. For my first collection, I maxed out all of my credit cards, borrowed from family and friends. But I had a plan, and I believed in it. I was determined. So with this course, what I wanted to do is put together a series of lessons that I have learned during my journey to become the watch entrepreneur. This course is for an entrepreneur who is seeking to start unique business with exponential growth opportunities. This unique in a sense that the majority of the companies that are launched these days are either reselling something or following mainstream. According to a research, the global watch industry will reach approximately 50 billion by 2017, with the growth driven by the global demand for fashionable and unique watches. This course has been designed with you in mind, meaning you as the entrepreneur, who is constantly seeking new ideas and ways to create something unique, valuable, and profitable. Essentially, if you're looking to gain insight into a new industry that you know little or nothing about, and your ambition is to create and operate a successful company, then this course is a great start. This material will provide you with key insights into starting your own watch company from a perspective of an entrepreneur who is successfully operating the same business, rather than someone who is just looking to make a quick buck by offering a course he just did some research on. This material is not about the techniques of buying a fancy watch and reselling it. This course is about launching and successfully operating your own watch company, your own watch brand. Even if you don't know much about watchmaking per se, but have a strong passion for business, this course will provide you with key information on who to work with, how to find them, how to negotiate, and create lasting relationships. Best of all, you will learn how to create a unique watch that thousands of people all around the world will wear with pride on their wrists and commemorate significant events in their lives with your product. This is a unique opportunity because it provides you with 100% full flexibility to be in charge of every aspect. The watch design, selecting watch components, watch marketing, and everything else that you will need to become the next Rolex. Many years ago, Hans Wilsdorf was in the same position as you are right now in 1905, when he had the vision to launch his own and valuable product that would create a legacy. Everyone starts somewhere. Everything great had always started with an idea. The time is now, and no need to waste it anymore on procrastination.